Greetings and welcome back to another video by Chimera Wargaming. I made my own Grimdark sand because I sand more mails for requesting various sample for Grimdark sand, but I did not receive nothing and no answer, nothing feedback. Never mind, I decided to create my personal version of Grimdark Sand. This tutorial is very easy because I use a very cheap product. In this case I use a little amount of 28 millimeters of skulls, 3D print in this case, and a mix of lava stones because I live near a big volcano and I have a big and enough lava stone, and a mix of static grass and some sea sand. First of all, I paint over the black primer these beautiful skulls with a black primer, and after a creamy paint to simulate the skull color. I have a mix at 30% of lava stones, sand and static grass. Static grass not exactly 30%, but a little bit, not much more, and I use almost 14 skulls in the recipes. I mix together to create this beautiful Grimdark sand. Okay, now it's time to test this Grimdark sand. I use old square base. Over the square base I apply some PVA glue. It's better for gluing the Grimdark sand. Perfect, this is the final result. Let me know what you think in the comments, and be kind to me because this is an experiment. Please subscribe to the channel and follow me on social media. Thanks to everyone for watching the video, and see you soon. Bye.